Hi, I'm Miruna, and I've just graduated from the CELTA course today. It's been quite a journey, and I really feel it improved my teaching in various ways, from understanding that students are the focus of my teaching, not me, the teacher, pouring knowledge into their heads, to all the interesting techniques I've learned about, and I literally felt my brain was expanding during the course. So my piece of advice for future participants in the CELTA course is be organized from day one, and you need to take this whole month to do it and to do nothing else than CELTA. And that's it.